I think we gave out 22 points in the third quarter, which is, I think, good defense for us. And then we just follow it and play good defense in the fourth. So again, well, Meralco is prepared for us, but I'm happy that we got this win and get back to the winning column. And I'm hoping this will be a good start for us looking ahead against ANT on Sunday. Well, we talked about it. Uh, we told the boys to really look for Al due to the fact that last game he's been shooting bad and it seems medyo pagod siya. So today we really tried to make sure that he will get most of his touches. And I do really appreciate Asi to all the time giving the ball to Al, and he will just be there to seal if Anwako help on Al. So we're happy that we made that. We executed our game plan for Al, but again, I'm really happy the way we played defense in the second half. Medyo, actually, medyo may, kuwan lang siya, may, because yung girlfriend niya kasi medyo may buntis, so sumasakit yung tiyan that night. So medyo, hindi niya nasabi sa amin, medyo, kaya bothered siya on that game. But he said sorry about it. Nag-sorry naman, nag-apologize naman. And we understand kasi paalis na yung girlfriend the following day. So we don't want to let her girlfriend travel like masakitan siya. But at least naayos naman namin. So I told him na lang na if you have some things that bothers you, you just have to let us know. Kasi nung after ng game na lang niya sinabi. That's why we rushed to this condo para maayos namin yung girlfriend. Pero actually okay naman. And he promised to recover and it showed today.